guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are in my hometown, Liloan, Cebu, visiting the one and only Taytay store, home of the original Rosquelius. So guys, if you ever in Liloan, don't miss stopping by Taytay's for their famous Rosquelius and other pasalubong treats. Supporting local keeps our culture alive. Story of my hometown. Taytay store has been making these iconic cookies since 1907. That's over a century of sweet goodness loved by Cebuanos and tourists alike. Every bite brings you the taste of tradition and home. That is for today's vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Babush.